I wore this around DEF CON this year, and every once in a while someone would stop me and say, "Whoa, what is that? Where'd you get it? Can I get one here?" Not everybody, but enough. It was a good conversation starter. And that got me thinking, this thing's been out for a while, and I really almost didn't make a video about it because of that. But it turns out a lot of people who'd love it still have no idea it exists. So let's give this thing a quick look. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Hack Shack. So what exactly is this thing? It's a Pimoroni Tufty 2350. It's a little dual core computer, color screen, Wi-Fi, a battery, 5 buttons, and a case you hang around your neck. And while this does certainly lean hard in the conference badge direction, you can find some fun things to do with this when you're not at a con, I'm sure. It even ships with a lanyard that calls you a, quote, security consultant. That's pretty fun. Those folks always have a fun sense of humor. Out of the box, it comes with a pretty cool firmware and has a bunch of apps ready to go and some little games and things that kind of demo what it can do. It comes with a pretty cool little badge app here, but I wanted to do something a little more me. It's an identity badge, but instead of my name, static, and a little rectangle, I wanted to make it look a little more alive. Handle, name up top, cycling, taglines underneath, and this grid that just goes on forever. And you see that? That little pixel thing crawling across the grid? That's a Conway's Game of Life glider. The background cycles, neon grid, matrix rain, and a fake terminal log scrolling my actual project names. You hit A and it throws up QR codes for all my stuff. Somebody at the con wants your GitHub, that kind of thing. You don't spell it out over loud music, you point your chest at them and they scan. But this is the one that actually caught people's attention the most, I think. A full screen glitch gallery of badge art. Static, noise, the image shaking. I said gallery before, and I had it set up to be like a gallery and have several images in here. But at the con, I only had the one DEF CON 34 logo in there. But I'm going to show you right here how easy it is to use your tools that you have available and an image you may find and make a little 320 by 240 image and save it. And it's super easy. This device just looks like a drive to your system, and you can just drag and drop it in the appropriate file, and then it'll become part of the rotation of the glitchy images. And here you can see it will now cycle to that additional image, and you can just drop however many you want in there. And that's just what I made. Some people, I think, even run little NES emulators on these. A lunch decision roulette wheel, and I'm sure somebody will put Doom on it if they haven't already. The point is, it does whatever you tell it. It's a blank little computer that happens to be shaped like a badge. So how hard was it to do this custom code on this thing? It was not that hard, and I'm going to be straight with you about why, because people get weird about it. I moved fast on this, last minute, the day or two before I was heading out to DEF CON. The firmware for this is open, and the API docs are really good, so I bounced ideas off of Claude to iterate quickly. Definitely no denying that this was 100% vibe coded. Now here's the part I need you to pay attention to. If you've been watching this and thinking that's cool, but it's way over my head, I need you to hear me loud and clear. It is not. Number one, it comes fully assembled. No soldering, no wiring. You take it out of the box and it works. 2, it's just MicroPython, not some weird embedded dialect. If you've ever written 5 lines of Python, you already probably know most of what you need to do something. And 3, and this is the one that really got me. You don't even have to buy one to start. And there's a browser playground at this URL that you can try. You write badge code, it runs in your browser right there. You can test drive the entire thing before you even spend a dime. So start with the apps it comes with, get curious, poke one line. Before you know it, you've thrown out their whole OS and it's just your little computer that hangs around your neck. Links are in the description if you want to check out this vibe coded goodness. And I'll have a link to where you can purchase one of these. And as a quick side note, you can save a few bucks on one if you don't mind it to be a little bit different. This is what the GitHub conference badge was based on, and I think they're in limited supply. If you don't mind the form factor being slightly different, you can pick one up for 45 bucks, I think, US plus shipping at the time of this recording. Anyway, that's it. I'm not going into a bunch of detail. I just wanted to tell you what this was, and maybe it will catch your eye. You can experiment around and play around with some code on a badge. I didn't even touch on the wireless or Bluetooth capabilities these badges have. If you want to see a network related item I did on a previous badge, I've got a link here. Check it out. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.